Hey, our pod owners. So we're gonna do something and you're gonna be the first to see it. I don't know, maybe you've already done it. But what we're gonna do is I took out the bottom bunk right here. And what I did was, now that it says open room, this is gonna be like a little dog kennel. So I hooked my Bluetti. It's going to sit here. We'll do solar charge controller. This is just kind of a mock setup. But if you notice, my Bluetti has 30 amp plug-in. So we're going to maybe plug this in. Oh, it's just tight. All right, and then we go over here and we're going to go AC on. Oh, I just heard beeping. I just heard beeping. Okay, now I gotta set the phone down and climb in, so hold on. Hold on. Okay, get my fat butt in here. Okay. Now we're gonna walk in. Now I do have one B300K. That's 2,764 watt hours, and the main Bluetti is 2,048. So, I mean, we're just about 5 kilowatts. So now we're going to come inside, and let's go up here. Interior lights, okay. All the lights work. Now, what are the odds that the AC will work? Because this is a Coleman Mach AC. So I'm going to see if I can, sorry, my hand's in the way. Fan low, fan high, cool, cool low. What? I can't tell if the compressor's on. It's so noisy. Nah, the air feels cold. I think the compressor's on. So now you're going to ask yourself, this is what everybody wants to know, right? How many watts are we pulling? No, the compressor's not on. We're only pulling 319 watts, 320. So do I have enough to kick that compressor? Should the compressor already be on? Maybe I gotta make the thermostat go down. Hold on. Sorry, I'm doing this on my cell phone, but this is just a quickie because I thought you guys might be interested. I just heard the compressor kick. Boy, that took a lot of juice though. The lights dimmed. Let's see. We're pulling 950 watts. Oh, it's trickling up. Thousand. Okay, so number one, I'm going to have to get one of those soft start that I've read about. I'm going to be honest with you, this AC is coming off, and I'm putting one of those inverter chill cubes, 18Ks. Arizona, this 13.5 doesn't cut it. I don't know, we're kind of steady at about 1,050 watts coming out. So if I'm pulling 1,000 watts and I got 5 kW, don't think you're going to get 5 hours, because these are 48 volt converted into 110, and there's loss. And if you got 5 kW, I would be surprised if you got maybe 3 hours, 3.5. Well, now we're up to 11. That's interesting. Oh, it's still going up. So if I have a soft start on here, this could absolutely be epic until I change this, because I think the chill cubes, they don't have as large a draw. But the Bluetti, I don't know. It's a 2,000 watt inverter with a 2048 watt hour battery, but oops, sorry. But I think it has like 5 seconds of extra power. I don't remember. Yeah, see, I hear the compressor now. Oh yeah, it's ice cold. Absolutely ice cold. All right, so we're gonna put lots of solar panels on the roof. I'm gonna get an extra ice cold. Holy mackerel. All right, let's go ahead and turn this off. So what we're gonna end up doing is I'll get a couple more of these, but I'll upgrade this AC200MAX. They make a, I don't know, a B300 or a 500 or something. But this Bluetti has a 30 amp, and you just saw it, powered the AC no problem. Soft start on this would have been a little better because the lights did almost go dim for a second. But I think when I get the chill cube, that's an inverter, that thing can ramp up slow. Plus operating, it consumes less. Now the trailer with no AC and lights only, I'm pulling 76 watts. That's just lights, and I don't know if there's a conversion, or I don't know, whatever. But Bluetti measures just what comes out. All right, so that's just a quickie. Once I get everything, we'll carpet all this. We'll put the solar charge controller. We'll run power wires down for the charge controller. We'll hook up all the 110 charges. And then I need to figure out how I can... So I have 30 amp, 12 volt DC. I need to figure out how to go from this 30 amp, 12 volt, how to plug it into the system. Because if I run it like this, I'm taking 48 volt DC, converting it to 110, and it's going back around, and then it's like inverting it back to 12 volt DC. And I want to know if I can just plug this into a circuit somewhere so I skip that conversion process and I can just pull the 12 out of here and plumb it to the 12 that's already in the unit. If you know anything about that, that'd be amazing if you comment below. All right, appreciate you. I'll get some more up later. Bye.